Hi guys, so you could see the Harley Davidson spark plug has come in. So I'm just going to show you how it is being installed. So this is the new one which has been received. So this there is a measurement specifically to this pin and the plug, the distance here, as you can see. I'll just show you closely. It is Harley Davidson recommends from 0.38 to 0.4. So this is the tool which I use to check the spark plug distances. So you could see that 4 is going smoothly. So we are good on this one. Just trying to take the other one as well. So you see there is a lot, it is going very smooth actually. So I just, as you can see guys, I'm just checking for 0.4. You see there is a lot of gap, so I think I need to adjust it accordingly. So I'm just trying to adjust it. So just taking the tool. As you can see, it is completely gone. You know guys, it is exactly going as this. So this is nearly 4. Similarly, I just need to do it for another spark plug as well. But yeah, this is right. Yeah. So this is adjusted. I'll just be able to start U plus. Raghav, get the key, pa. Get the Harley Davidson key. As you can see, this one is also completely gone.
Daddy, can I on the Insta?
It's on. You pull the plug. Remove the battery.
Huh?
Remove the battery.
This battery.
Not this one. There. You remove the power there. And guys, you see, just using the 16mm. And make sure guys you don't tight it very tight. Wait, Raga.
Okay.
See guys, it's more than sufficient. Just don't try to tight too lot. Just punch it out. Did you pull out the power plug?
Yes, Dad. I just pull it out. Daddy, the bell is open. Where did the bell go here?
It's followed on that.
Oh.
So don't try to tighten it up. Just fix it, push it. That's it. That's done. It's a just simple installation where I had an engine light issue where it was just switching off, and I just identified that it got cut off. And one more update is they say is every 12,000 kilometers we need to change the spark plugs. So better note it down that please make the spark plug changes, or else you will face a issue. Unfortunately, I was supposed to go for a ride, and my luck is I just got my engine got switched off near my home, so I easily drove it back. But now you see that simple things makes us big challenges. So please try to check regularly. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.